Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the secure boot error in Battlefield 6. Let's get started. So when the secure boot error appears, the game won't launch until it's enabled in your system BIOS. Here's how to fix it. First, restart your computer. As your PC begins to boot up, repeatedly press the F2, delete, or key your PC uses to access the BIOS menu. Once inside the BIOS, look for the section labeled Boot, Security, or something similar like that. This depends on your motherboard brand. Use the arrow keys to move through the menu and find the option called Secure Boot. If this set to disabled, that's what causing the Battlefield 6 error. Select the secure boot and change it to enabled. And after changing the settings, press F10 to save and exit. Confirm when asked and your system will restart. When your PC loads back up, restore and secure boot will now be active. Launch the Battlefield 6 again, and this time it should be open without the error. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.